If there's anything you need to make a viral song, it definitely lies in the feel and familiarity. And for that, we would have to go down to the very basics of beats, which is the chord progression. If you can hear already, I have a simple 2-6-5 chord progression in the key of F, and it already brings up that mood to sing something. Here's a more familiar one, 4-1-5, with songs like Uyo Miyo and Smile For Me using this chord progression. Now the song we're breaking down today uses both of these progressions, and it's Faceless's Venus. Let's go back to the basics. Start with an electric piano, the same chord progression as mentioned before. Now let's add in some soft bell pads. You can barely hear this one. Your percussions cannot fall behind, so let's have different bongos, congas and shakers to keep the groove going. You know that kick pattern? The bass. Okay, so let's add in a simple string section. Lastly, don't forget to add in hits, claps and crashes, as all these will make the transition between sections even more impactful, and you're done. So let's listen to Venus. So if you ask me, how do I make a viral Afrobeat song? I would say start from the chords. What's next? Subscribe if you enjoy song breakdown videos, and I'll see you in the next one.